इश्क तेरे इंतहा, इश्क मेरे तेरे इंतहा, इश्क मेरे इंतहा. तू भी अभी ना तमाम, मैं भी अभी ना तमाम. No pain, no gain. Today I am here a speech about the most important person, nation of Pakistan. Who is he? Sir Muhammad Iqbal, also known as Allama Iqbal. He was a philosopher, politician of British India, and also he was a national poetry of Pakistan. Iqbal was born 1877 in Sialkot of Lahore. He is considered one of the most important figures, literature and literary. Iqbal was not only poet, but he also politician. He is a great tool of the political movement of Muslim in India. During the World War I, Iqbal was not support India, but he was support Muslim League and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Today we call it father of nation of Pakistan. Iqbal started his primary study in Lahore Government College. His teacher and Ullah determined Iqbal pursue higher education to West. In the 1905, Iqbal traveled to West to higher education. After higher education, Iqbal moved to Germany. His study doctorate here at PhD. During the study of Europe, Iqbal was writing to Persian language poetry, such as Israr-e Khudi is a period 915, such as Asiayak Paikare Abu Glass, Millati Afghan Daran Paikar Glass, as Fasade U Fasade Asia, as Gishade U Gishade Asia. This is the Persian language of poetry, Muhammad Iqbal Lahori. Another word, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Iran call it Iqbal Lahori. He was died in 1938